So, as well as the galley, we're getting new sail drives. A whole bunch of updating on our engines. So I've got Keith from Social Yachts. Can't remember his company name. So many names. Anyway, here's his right-hand guy down here. That was Chris. And over here is Keith. Hi, Keith.
Good, how are you doing?
I got a big job ahead of them. They're moving the engines forward so they can get the sail drives off first thing. Now let's go down below and see what's going on in the hull. So I don't know if you can hear me, but the guys are prepping the hull to be get new bottom paint. The first day, take a high pressure wash, and they pressure wash all of the growth and any of the old paint. The sunspots that are flaking, it's gonna have to be really sanded. I'll show you that in a second. This is Guy. And these are the sail drives. These are what are getting replaced today. And of course the props will get all nicely neat up, but these are getting redone. New ones. They're in these boxes over here. Here's the other one. And new rubber boots. Funny name. Okay, that's it for now. We'll go see what else is going on. Craig from Fountaine Ocean will be here shortly. Ciao. Here's me and Cole hanging out while all the work's getting done. Cole's got his scooter. It's another day in the boatyard. Watch out for the golf cart. Looks like I should be having a mask on for this stuff. What's that, Guy?
This is RC, the stick the green color up.
Oh, okay.
Got the water line.
So this is Julian and Alex from Mayflower. These are the guys that are going to really make the boat sparkle. These are the guys that put the finishing touches on Unbound once everybody else has done their math. Now trade 11 and 12 show up. These are the guys that are doing the stainless steel work. They are the 12th, the 6th set of 2 guys working on the boat today. What a nutty day. Wow. I'm sure somebody's going to get pissed off with somebody in a little while. Morning, John. Morning. Back again. 12 trays on the boat at once. And then you can see what the guys are doing with the rubbing compound. Polishing the hull. It's coming up very, very nice. Wow. And he hasn't even waxed it yet. That's just cut polishing. Beautiful. Wow, that's gonna look really, really nice. And hopefully that does too. Get a sense for all the action going on here with all the noise. So the kitchen's coming along. They've taken the template. New countertop will be here later today or tomorrow. Down here is the temporary kitchen.
Hi.
How's lunch coming?
Welcome to the beautiful kitchen that we have going on. Tools, and then, you know,
there's some oil there too.
Countertops, really nice.
Oh, you're
Yeah,
working.
the temporary kitchen. Just whipping up some lunch for the crew. It works. Do what you gotta do.
It works temporarily, thank goodness. Should be have your kitchen back in the next 2 days.
Yeah, awesome. Can't wait. It's gonna be super exciting.
Quick view from the cockpit. chaos. This is a nice sunny day.
Good morning. This is day 5 on the hard in the boatyard, and we've had lots of progress. We had the 2 engine guys in both engine holes all week. We had a guy at the mast. We had the canvas removed. We've had the kitchen worked on. We've had the bottom painted, the side polished. Oh my gosh, the list is so long. Anyhow, today's Friday and it's been a really long week of living half on the boat, half in the motorhome. Dirty, messy, noisy, and we're hoping that today we can get put back in the water and get out of this dirt hole. So it's a nice sunny day, that's good. Nobody's here yet, which is kind of nice for a change, even though lots still has to get done before we get put back in the water. Bimini top is off. Cockpit's still a mess. We got to get this cleared out. Mess inside. It's really a mess everywhere. And down below, kitchen's coming along. Supposed to get the new countertop in today. Stove back where it should be. It's gonna look awesome. So this is what it looked like before. Obviously the sinks have been taken out. The faucet. This used to be a little garbage hidey hole. Doesn't really work that great because below there's nowhere to put the garbage bin. This used to be a pit for a drying rack, which we removed the drying rack, and now we're going to put our new one in, and this will be covered all in new laminate. And stove here, the cutout was too big. We had a big gap behind here. So now this stove will be cut to size. The laminate will be cut to size. And then over here, there was a dip down, which made it kind of useless as far as prep area goes. So we had them build a level space on top of there. And here, the top loading freezer and fridge, those lids were removed. The insides, the guts taken out, and we installed this beautiful excuse me, stainless steel fridge. So today we should get the new laminate on top. It's been a real tricky job trying to fit it all in. Luigi from Dennis Boat Works had to make a template all the way around with little pieces of wood, take it back to the shop, cut it to size. We've been really happy with their work. They've been bang on. So today's Friday. They've been at it all week, and we're hoping that it gets back to a bit more normalness today so that we can move back onto the boat permanently. Alright, we'll keep you posted. Stay tuned for the end result.
More chaos today. Every day. Welcome to my life.
Good morning, everyone.
What are we doing, Luigi?
We are mixing the epoxy in order to glue the new countertop. Recording moments.
Yes. Make a video, put on YouTube starring you.